sharing how you can make these bunny ear napkins. It's a really simple, quick, and cute way to display cloth napkins on your Easter table. You'll need cloth napkins, ribbon or twine, and some eggs. I love the texture of a well-wrinkled linen napkin, but you can iron yours if you want. You're going to start by folding the napkin corner to corner, creating a triangle. And then, starting at the tip, you just start folding or rolling the napkin up. Then you're just going to fold that in half and create a small little nest at the bottom for an egg to fit in. Use ribbon or twine to tie that off. You can put the egg in before you tighten the ribbon, making sure the ears are even. Then just finish tying it off and you've got the easiest bunny ear napkins. I'm showing a couple different variations. You can add in a little sprig of baby's breath, pussy willow, or even greenery like an olive branch. And for the egg, you can use hard-boiled eggs, or the decoupage eggs that I shared a couple weeks ago are perfect for this and great to use if kids will be there. Or even using chocolate eggs would be a fun treat for your guests. This is easy to coordinate with the look of your table. Choose napkins to go with your color scheme. I've linked a couple options below and they have multiple colors to choose from. And this is a great activity to have kids do. They can roll up these bunny ears while you're finishing up food prep. Such a simple, fun craft to bring a little cuteness to your Easter table.